A twit on Twitter wrote that playing a first-person shooter game past 30 ain't a pleasant experience. That was in reference to Fortnite, which is a third-person shooter and not a first-person shooter. I responded that I'm 52 years old, still using my Quake 2 mousepad from 1997 to play video games and to get off my virtual lawn. That was one of my most popular tweets ever. Let's talk about my 25-year-old Quake 2 mousepad on my desk. If you want to support my channel, check out the new merch store on cdreimer.myspread.com. When Quake 2 came out in November 1997, I bought the game and the mousepad at the same time. My roommates and I spent many nights playing Quake 2. I later bought a 3DFX Voodoo Rush 2D/3D video card that became a game changer for everyone. Before the Voodoo Rush, I had the standard video cards, CGA, EGA, VGA, and Super VGA. The early video cards varied from 16 colors at low resolution to 256 colors at high resolution. The Super VGA video card had 16 million colors at 800 by 600 or higher resolution. The Voodoo Rush was a Super VGA video card, but it also supported Microsoft DirectX and OpenGL for hardware-accelerated 3D graphics. Quake 2 on an OpenGL video card had color lighting and faster frame rates. When my roommates saw that, they rushed out to buy 3DFX Voodoo 2 video cards for their own PCs. That got me into building custom PCs for the last 25 years. The Quake 2 mousepad is still in good condition, despite being 25 years old this year. The bottom corner is rounded down, and the middle flattened out from where I rest my wrist. The upper right corner had chipped away underneath, and the top fabric peeled back. Am I too old to play video games? I played video games since I was 6 years old, when my father put a quarter into an Atari Pong arcade machine in 1976. I had the early Pawn and Combat Tank TV console games in the late 1970s. I had an Atari 2600, Commodore VIC-20, and Commodore 64 in the 1980s. I played Street Fighter and Mortal Kombat arcade games when I was at college in the early 90s. I was a video game tester for 30 titles and a lead tester for 10 titles at Atari Infogrames in my late 20s and early 30s. I played Quake 2 for 13 years, Age of Mythology for 10 years, and Fortnite for the last 2 years. I'm currently writing a chess program in Python as a learning exercise. Check out my Medium profile page for my essays on the troubles I had with MyPy static type checker. Video games have been a major part of my life for over 50 years. The best way to beat old age is to keep the brain active and learning new things. Playing or programming video games are a great way to do that. For all the young whippersnappers who think I'm too old to play video games, get off my virtual lawn. That's it for today's show. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to see more videos like this. Thank you for watching.